The Upchain CAD plugin is designed to provide an integrated yet seamless user experience to the CAD user. For example, Upchain automatically presents me with notifications that are pertinent to my personal workflow. Note the bell icon here at lower right. It looks like I have two notifications. First, it appears I don't have the latest version of the valve covers, and secondly, I have an assignment. Here in the BOM on the right, I see another visual indicator to tell me that my valve cover is out of date. Simply right-clicking on the valve cover and selecting Download Latest Version will update my valve covers to their latest configuration. Now let's take a look at my assignment. It looks like I need to increase the cog belt thickness. Clicking on the assignment provides additional detail. Here at the bottom, I can see that the supercharger cog belt is too thin, and we are seeing disintegration at high revs. By simply right-clicking on our supercharger cog belt, I can check it out. Note the green lock icon on the cog belt and the top-level assembly. This clearly indicates that I have these objects checked out, and of course my colleagues who also use Upchain will receive notification that I have these objects checked out inside of Upchain. The red lock icon indicates that my colleague Mike has the block and the supercharger assembly itself checked out. A simple right click opens the cog belt. Let's make the necessary changes. We're going to take the thickness from 1.5 millimeters to 3. A simple right click on the top level assembly to check in will check in all modified objects in the assembly. During check-in, I am provided an opportunity to enter in check-in comments. After check-in, I can see that the checkout locks on the engine and the supercharger belt have been removed. In conclusion, we have seen that the Upchain CAD connector has empowered the CAD user to capture, manage, and share their CAD data in Upchain, all without leaving their CAD environment.